So here's a quick and easy tip to autofill sequences in a Google Sheet. For example, let's say I want the days of the week to go across the top. Well, I can start typing in Monday, okay? But then I got to type in Tuesday. You have to do at least two of them. But once you do, watch what happens if I select both and then I grab this little square and I go this way. Watch what happens. It does them for me, okay? It can tell. It's smart. It can tell what you're doing. Okay. It'll also do it with numbers and other things like that. But again, you have to do at least two of them. I can even do it going up and down. I can do one, then I can do two. Then I choose them both and I use this little square right here to go down and it'll do the rest of them. It'll also do it with the months of the year. For example, let's say we do January, February. Remember, at least two. And then we go like this. We grab them and then we grab the copy thing. It'll do all the rest of them for you. If it can tell what sequence you're doing, it's smart enough to do it for you.